Hello guys, welcome back to algebra class, and this time I will go over last part of the review number 6. And this one is really easy one, I believe, because what you really have to do is to find vertex and point, okay? So I taught you how to find vertex out of this, but I still see people struggle with finding vertex. So if you don't like this method, you might have to do it like hard way. But right now, I will show you how to do it. Vertex is gonna be -1, comma 4. And what you have to do is, you really have to figure out which one is -1, comma 4 as a vertex. And if you look at here, do you see this one? -1, comma 4. Do you see this? That's gonna be the vertex 5, comma -5, -5, comma -5, -5, comma +5. So keep that in mind. You're only flipping the sign of the x value. And to me, I can cross out C and D because that's the vertex. But if you don't like this method, you can just do the hard way. And we want to have something that has a point 5, comma -5, which is x, comma y. So here, in the decimals, it does not matter which one you choose. You can choose A and B. I'm gonna choose A, because why not? So I'm gonna put x plus 1 squared plus 4. So I got this graph, and what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put, if I have a 5, comma -5. Do you see this point is right here and it's not on the line? So A cannot be the answer. Your answer is going to be B. But let me put B into the decimals. Do you see that this one? I have this point on the line here, like this. That's how you can actually find an answer. And what I mean, if you don't know how to do it, you can still do it, is because, do you see this vertex? You can also put this one into decimals, -1, comma 4. And as you can see, do you see I got this point and this put both points on the line? That's what you really want to find. So if you cannot really get this, you can really figure out which one this is by finding these 2 points. So pause the video. You can try this question by yourself. Again, I believe finding vertex first will save you time. But if you don't get it, put these 2 points into the graph and put every single one of these into the decimals and see which one actually has these 2 points. All right? So question number 9. I will do the same thing here. Well, in fact, I will actually can go over this one like this. So what I can do is, I'm going to find vertex. That's a 1, comma 3. And I'm going to find another point. That's going to be 0, comma 4. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to actually put 1, comma 3 here into the decimals. And here, I'm going to put 0, comma 4. And I'm going to put every single one of these into decimals and which one actually gives you these 2 points. But I already know, because I know how to find vertex. It's going to be this. But watch this. -1/3 minus 1 plus 3. Oh, wait a second. Yeah. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. It's not 0, comma 4. It should be 4, comma 0. I'm sorry. I'm not sure if you noticed my mistake, because if I put 0, comma 4, that's going to be the y-intercept. Yep. So here. Do you see these 2 points are on the line? So this is going to be the answer. And even though, like, was it Ashley and Aubrey that you guys struggled how to do this one? It's okay. Again, I showed you how to do it, but please, at least finding vertex-wise, try it by yourself. That's not too difficult, okay? Now pause the video, try question number 20 by yourself. Here we go, question number 21 and 22. It's very, very easy one. So you're trying to see which one is gonna be where they made a first mistake. And again, if you don't know where to how to do it. There's a way that you can do it by hand. But again, if you want to use Desmos, it's very simple. First, question is asking where did she make her first mistake, right? So what you're gonna do is first you're gonna put this one to Desmos. And you're gonna put every single one of this one into Desmos. Since this one should be same, that should be same, and see which one gives you like first different graph. So let me put the first one, because it should be exactly same graph as long as they are same, if they are correct step. But if they give you a different step, then that means they made a mistake. Now, do you see in very first step, I got two different graph? That means she made a mistake on the step number 1. Okay, so answer is actually A here. But because if you put negative, then that's going to be the same graph. And then supposedly you actually have to do it like this. But let's assume that she made a correct. Then you put negative 10x plus 25 minus 25 plus 47. Wait, yeah, wait. No, minus. It actually is the minus. Do you see it like I get the same graph? But assuming she made a mistake, let's say she put 47 here, then do you see it's a two different graph already? Then that's gonna be the mistake, okay? So just like this, you can try question the right by yourself. You're gonna put this one into Desmos. You're gonna put this one to Desmos one by one and see which one you get the first different graph, okay? The one that you get the first different graph is gonna be the wrong answer, all right? So that's about it, guys. I believe this one was an easy one. If you study only like review number 6, that's gonna give you like 60 or 50 on the ACP. If you study both review, I'm pretty sure that's gonna give you 90 on the review. And if you actually study the like what's it called, practice test form, that's gonna give you 100. All right. So that's about it, guys. If you just need help, let me know. I will help you. That's about it, guys. Okay. I think I said it twice already. So I love you guys. See ya.